What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Maserati key fob. Now these key fobs are getting a little old, and because they just use a single Duracell 2032 battery, so I've got a set here. It doesn't have to be Duracell, not endorsing them, but I do like the reliability, long-lasting nature of the Duracell. These, when they get a little old, you don't want to be without power, especially on a keyless remote like this. So I'm going to show you how to repair or replace this battery. First of all, you're going to need a T6 star bit. This little tool has one. You're also going to need a flathead screwdriver, and I think it's going to be one of pretty small one. And so I've got a couple here. First thing you're going to do is you've got to remove the actual key from the backup key, and you press that button and then it comes out. So now you have that, and then right here you will have one screw that is the T6 star bit. So you're going to use that bit right there, which is a really small one. I know I'm way close on this, but I want to show it to you. And you're going to put that in there, and then you're going to unscrew that. Took it out. You can see it's a long screw. It's got a little blue thread locker on there. Saved you the tedium of pulling that out. Now these two sides come off. Oh, the latch is down here, so I think you want to peel them off from up here. And you kind of just pull it away, and then you have a little tab right there. So you're kind of peeling them from the top or from the bottom and pulling them away. They get a little sticky. There we go. And these two pieces are like cast pieces that are actually the heavy piece. The rest of this is just Chrysler Fiat Group remote control, and as you can see, we have two halves of a plastic piece here, and this is where I think you're going to use your screwdriver. Looks like there's a couple little openings right there, so I'm just kind of inserting the screwdriver and giving a little twist. You can see them right there, just like that. And then once you have them separated, you can open it up, and you'll see you have another little star screw there. Again, same T6. I think this one is a little bit shorter, so the long one holds the whole thing together. This one just holds the circuit board down in place. Quite a bit shorter screw, so there will be no screwing that up. Then you take out the circuit board, and now you have that 2032 battery, and you can see the seam side is up. And so you are going to put the flat side, the enclosed side, down. And you can just use the screwdriver to get that up. There's a little spring there that holds it in place, so you kind of angle it towards the spring and then push it in. That spring will hold it there. I try not to get my fingers on the battery too much, just to keep the oils off. And now we are going to replace the circuit board here. You can see the little screw goes in there. This lines up. It's really kind of idiot-proof. And then we'll take the small screw and screw it down. We're really just going to reverse the process at this point. We're going to take the button pad, put that on here, press them together. They should snap back together all the way around. Pretty cool. Now we're going to put these sides back in, and I can tell you that the closed side, so you have two clamshells here, and you can see one edge is filled out and the other side accepts that key. So you're going to want to put the opening one here. So you put that tab back in there, push that back on, then the other one will go on the one with the full edge, just like that. Now you're going to take your long star bit screw, tighten that back in. Once that's back in, your key can go back in there, clicks in, and if you're lucky, boop, boop, everything will unlock. That's it. How to change a battery on a Maserati Ghibli remote. Peter Von Panda, out.